Good evening, good afternoon, friends. From Indian style, if I say Namaskar. Dear respected Honorable Vice Chancellor of Anglia Ruskin University, faculty, friends, students. My sincere thanks for the Vice Chancellor and the Board of Governors of this university conferring me the honorary Doctorate of Health Sciences. Indeed, I cherish of this award receiving from this August gathering. I was invited to receive this honor last year. I could not make it because of natural calamity. Typhoon happened in Japan. I could not come out of Japan that day particular. But today I am delighted to be here to receive this in the August youngsters receiving these degrees in social and education, and really I am delighted part of this. I have been to Royal College, Edinburgh, received this honorary fellowship in 2003. It is a medical fraternity. That time was cherished because first time coming to UK to get the degree among all these. Similarly, went to Peru, Lima, where I went received the doctorate. That I was told that is the oldest university in the world. Similarly, when I'm coming here, I was delighted, more one happiness. Yeah, I'm receiving a honorary. Instead of last year, I'm receiving this honorary degree award in the year of University of the Year of the Anglia University. It is the greatest happiness to share from myself and my family and my faculty hospitals. When I was discussing with the Vice Chancellor, he told, honoring is the eminent person in different specialty. It is a kind of conveying message to the youngsters that receiving degree at this age, it is only a first step to go into your success in the life. And looking at the old guy like us, and you have to work more to give degrees, awards going on. So this is a basic one, and you have a lot of things to do in life, and you should achieve it. I wish all of you do that. World is ruled by two groups. One group tries to give everything to the country, society. The another country is both are intellectuals. Another society intellectual is try to take up whatever it is there. And you are social educationist. Try to guide the countries with not a correct path that is most respected. Now technology is disturbed technology. One side good thing, if you another side destruction will go. It is not only now, the century from the beginning. You all know Indian history, if you take it, India is one of the earliest in the civilization. Even surgery, the first surgeon is to name Indian, Sursruta. And the first surgery book from India, he wrote it. Subsequently, only book all written in a different. But unfortunately, somewhere I see that up and down will be there. In Indian, it went up and down. And thank UK, United Kingdom. And now he used to last 200, 300, 400 years. He used to come UK to learn medicine and going back. Now, again started India coming up, and particularly minimally invasive surgery and other specialties, because the West, they go with high-tech, high cost. We look at Indian people, high-tech, make it affordable cost, so that everyone will enjoy the technology. That was a mission I'm working it. In fact, the citation read by Cherish Chang, he said, I come from a humble family. Truly we say that degree award is a great honor because I could not continue my school days regularly. I have to work 4 or 5 years as a daily wage laborer in a estate. In Malaysia, we went for as a poverty. Back to India, I want to study that dream I had. The dream and the will to do education continued to be with me. Then I became a doctor to work for my village people. Later I realized that cancer in India is very common. Why not you develop something more cancer, treat them? Everybody says cancer is incurable, but I work for it. We should cure. And that also during the time, farmers, you all know 80% Indians are working in the field. So they can't take it 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month in the hospital. So minimal invasive surgery thought it is the best way to serve the people. So I took a laparoscopic light as the best way to serve. That way was going on. Looking at that time, the technology and when it's going, our society lifestyle changing. See, now the disease are increasing, very common, cancer, diabetes, everything going on. And when you are doing something, you look at the society, work for it. Now, if you say diabetes type 2 is curable, I don't know, many of you may not know at all. It is curable. It is preventable. So that way, I think it is science is something where, so what we learn, it should be useful to society, and we work for society. That honor when it comes, it is the happiness. And that way, today, take the opportunity, thank the Vice Chancellor and the Board of Governors for conferring this honor, greatest lifetime achievement award in the name of Honorary Fellowship, Doctorate of Health Science. Thank you very much, Padre.